Hi, I'm Kate O'Neill. I'm RB1.
Hi, I'm Clay Rosenberg. I play O-line. Hey, I'm Abe. I play outside linebacker.
Tristan Garcia, and I play defensive end.
I'm Bradley Heaton. I play receiver and DB.
This crosstown rival, which opened in 1964, has met Mishawaka 40 times to play football. Mishawaka on a winning streak, having beat the Saints in the last 4 years. What school is week 1?
Come on, bro. Write it down.
Man,
I swear, bro.
bro.
All right, we all have it?
Yeah.
And flip your boards. All right, that is a point for everyone. Marion is correct.
Bean.
Hayden, why don't you tell me about how you got that answer then?
I just know the schedule.
We'll see about that. All right, for week 2, the first time Mishawaka played this team, the school tied with the score of 0-0. Since then, they dominated Mishawaka with a 27-year winning streak, winning in the 80s, 90s, and 2000s. What school is week 2?
Yeah.
27.
Wait, so I'll have it.
Yeah.
Flip your boards. And Penn is correct. Holy, how'd you get that answer?
Because Penn's whooped us every time the past 27 years.
You know what? That's true.
Yeah.
All right, here's where we get a little bit
This year.
Not next year.
First NLC matchup of the year. A school with 2 different mascots. First played Mishawaka in 1924 and not again until 96 years later, losing to the Cavemen by a mere 9 points. What NLC matchup will the Cavemen face for week 3?
Oh my God! I got it. Is I just get.
All right, we all have it?
Yeah.
Flip your boards.
What do you think?
So if this is the correct answer.
Oh. Whoa.
Riley, how'd you get there? How'd you get
Oh,
to one?
gave me a fun. He said like 2 mascots. But I was like, who got 2 mascots? Like, when you said like, I know the Swiss Plymouth
Do
mascot.
you
It's
know what the
Rockies.
2 mascots are?
Rockies. No, I just
Oh, do you know?
Rockies and I don't know. I don't.
And the Pilgrims.
well, they meant like that. That's right. Oh, that is right. Yeah.
In week 4, the Cavemen are back on the road for an LC matchup. After a 57-minute drive at a stadium, the home team is a state runner-up in 2024, and the Cavemen will face the Cats for the 16th time. Who is the week 4?
Got it.
Like, I know.
I go. And I got it.
Do you have any questions about that?
Nope.
Nah. I'm with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're currently winning.
It's 3-2.
Go on, Tristan.
It's weird. It's right.
All right, flip your boards.
I think I know it. Just put it.
Oh, it's
It's Warsaw.
Warsaw.
It is worth. Hey, 57 minutes.
It is all yes.
And the Cats and Concord. Warsaw Tigers. Bro, what were you thinking? That was
I don't know why I was thinking.
Warsaw Tigers. 57-minute drive. Concord Super Hard. Hey, she said Tiger.
Oh.
Concord Amendment. Oh, that
I
cat.
don't know my schedule. I'm just
Congrats.
For this matchup with the Cats, they have played Mishawaka 8 times, twice in 2025 and twice in 2024. This school's name features 2 capital letters to represent the union of 2 Indiana cities.
Yeah, we on.
Who's your week 5 team?
We play them better. We all know this.
Yeah, we only play up 18.
We all better. I put a word because.
Wait. 8.
Oh, not the way.
Wait, 2 capital.
We ain't played.
Not that one.
There are 2 capital letters.
Is it taking that long? Do we have to put that cap?
I'm a good.
You don't have to put the capitals.
I'm guessing.
All right.
All right.
Y'all have
You
to
look.
put it down?
Hey, hurry up. Good luck.
I'm gonna start putting you
There.
guys on a timer.
3, 2.
Aiden.
What? Middle? All right.
I know it.
Let's flip those boards. All right, Northwood.
Whoa.
Hey, how'd you get Northwood?
Well, because we played them 2 times last year and 2 times the year before in sectional.
Yeah, that's a put my. That's right. I had the good boys.
You put New Prairie, and I was like, I only played that one. I put New Prairie first. I was like,
New Prairie.
Oh, I see. I looked over. I see. I was like,
It's not that cool. I'm that worse.
All right.
New Prairie.
For week 6,
Made me change my mind.
these green soldiers had a competitive streak with the Cavemen, while Mishawaka leads the series 8-3. However, 2 of the home games last year were played here at Steel Stadium in the 2025 season. What's your week 6 matchup?
funny.
And share.
Are you flipping
I don't think so.
Abe's the only one wrong. It is hot.
Oh,
Yes, I was about to say only more. What?
I know Abe's doing great.
Like I'm twice what you do, Abe. Yeah, because we got field. Their field. Their field. Yeah.
do this.
Oh, you gotta get that field this year, yo.
Yeah. They
Brand new turf.
Yeah, technically they played here 3 times last year. 2 of them were home.
yeah, they brought the rock to us.
Yeah. And we beat them.
We peed on it.
Right, in week 7, these Golden Frame players lead the Cavemen undefeated. The Cavemen lead 7-0 in the series against these Knights. The Green and Gold had a losing streak last year, losing 6 games in a row.
Yep.
What team are the Cavemen facing in week 7?
Don't hit them already. It's 30 piece.
Green and
Their quarterback's nice. Yeah, their quarterback's nice. They're best. They're like underrated. Yeah, they're underrated. They text me.
Be all an answer?
Yep.
Flip your boards.
What?
Northridge.
Well, let's see.
Where are we get Losi from?
Stop.
you said green and gold,
Okay. Yeah.
And
and they suck.
like, not bad. What's that? Well, I see. I'm like, you gotta be fired for that.
Nah,
I gotta
green,
ask how long
but Northridge
our
is green
schedules
and yellow.
are.
What do you mean? I've just won
5.
Nah, I think I see the point 6 because Northridge is green and yellow.
Schedule.
Bro, all I see is Northridge knows the hot. I'll be like, yes. You said Northridge is green. You said Old Prairie. I mean, he said New Prairie. I
I
got
can tell you right now, Prairie is not one of the answers.
Yeah, one of them actually.
I got 3 points.
Alright.
I have 6.
Week 8.
All right. It goes.
This team first faced the Cavemen 102 years ago. After matching up with the Cavemen, these birds have a losing streak of 35-1 against the Cavemen. While the team is not notorious for football, the Redbirds have changed their mascot from the Redskins to their current mascot back in 2017.
But they're good at soccer.
They've been facing
Yeah.
in week 8.
Hey, and softball, baseball. Yeah.
Wait, what was the word? Asbestos? 35-1?
35-10-1. So 1 tie there.
Okay.
We all have an answer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, flip your boards.
Do we all do that?
Go
no.
shit.
I don't know what 10 Mishawaka was lost to this team. We're serious. Still humble.
Yeah. Hey, humble.
Alright, how did we get to the Goshen? How did we get there?
You said
Not a football team. Yeah, Redskin.
You said the rest.
Oh, and Redbirds or whatever. Yeah.
Alright.
You said birds, and I was like, yeah, I already know who it is.
For the last week 9. I want your guys' last guess of who the last school is.
All right.
Who we not said yet.
Wawasi.
Obviously, yes.
Yeah, barbecue.
Chicken.
Alright.
Stay humble, boys.
Yes, sir.
There's a tie.
So you mean Cole?
No, I got 8.
That's
2.
between Holly and Brylan. Congratulations. You guys know your schedule for next year. I gotta ask, what's helped you along this? What helped you get to what the crash school?
I just know from like when our coach dropped the schedule. I know that.
Alright, you guys know your schedule for next year?
Yeah.